Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay while understanding identity verification requirements. It's important to know that Apple Pay itself doesn't directly verify your identity when you make a purchase. Instead, the identity verification process is handled by your bank or card issuer when you set up your payment method. This ensures security and compliance with financial regulations, protecting both you and the system. Let's dive into the details. When you add a debit or credit card to Apple Pay, your financial institution performs the necessary identity verification. This usually involves confirming your personal details and sometimes additional security steps. Once verified, Apple Pay receives a unique, device-specific account number, also known as a token. This token replaces your actual card number during transactions, significantly enhancing your security and privacy. Apple never stores your full card numbers on its servers. It's crucial to understand that any legitimate payment method, whether a debit or credit card, requires identity verification by its issuing bank. There isn't a method to use Apple Pay with a payment source that hasn't undergone this essential check. Attempting to circumvent these security measures could result in account suspension or other issues. Apple Pay prioritizes your security, using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to authorize every transaction, adding an extra layer of protection. To ensure a secure and smooth experience with Apple Pay, always use payment methods issued by reputable financial institutions. Make sure your Apple device's security features, like Face ID or Touch ID, are always active. It's also a good practice to regularly review your transaction history within the Wallet app or through your bank statements. If you ever notice any suspicious activity, report it to your bank or card issuer immediately to protect your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.